The credit card trap explained. Pigeon sees ad. Escape the city. Fly first class. Beach. Bread. Bliss. Enjoy a luxury vacation for only 5,000 corn. All inclusive. Pigeon checks wallet. There is only lint and one expired coupon. Pigeon doesn't have corn, but card says, you deserve it. Buy now, pay later. Pigeon thinks life is short and you only live once. Beach chair, umbrella drink, tiny sunglasses. Pigeon posts on Instagram, living my best bird life. 1 month later, card wants 150 corn, so Pigeon pays. Pigeon thinks, I paid 150 for vacation, so now I only owe 4,850, right? Pigeon proud. Next day, card says, now you owe 4,950 corn. Pigeon blinks. Wait, 5,000 minus 150 is 4,950? Pigeon confused. Turns out, card added interest on what's left. You eat fancy vacation food, I eat interest. Now, Pigeon owes more. Even after paying, every month the leftover debt grows. Vacation gone, corn gone, but debt stays. Pigeon check statement. Why am I paying interest on a vacation meal I already pooped out? This is a trap. Card says, it's fine. Just do minimum payments. But Pigeon doesn't know minimum is dangerous. Pigeon Googles how to get rich quick. Pigeon finds be your own boss. Recruit 6 pigeons. Now, Pigeon's in a pyramid scheme and still drowning in corn debt. But why is minimum payment dangerous? Credit card interest is usually around 24% per year. That's 100 corn per month, just in interest. Card says minimum payment is 150 corn. Sounds fair, right? But only 50 corn actually pays down Pigeon's debt. The other 100? Poof, gone to interest, like Pigeon's crypto investment. If Pigeon keeps this up, it'll take him 4.6 years to pay it off, and he'll end up paying 8,400 corn total. Pigeon thinks, wait, I only borrowed 5,000 corn, and I'm paying back 8,400? That's almost double. Pigeon could have taken 2 vacations and still had corn left for a mini pool and a custom worm tray. So, what does Pigeon do? He borrows more corn to cover his corn, debt to pay debt. How did it go from fancy beaches and nice meals to borrowing corn just to make the payments? Pigeon even came home with a tan, a souvenir rock, and 5,000 corn in debt. Pigeon isn't stupid, Pigeon isn't lazy, Pigeon just didn't see the trap because it looked like freedom. After 4 months, Pigeon misses a payment. Card gets mad and credit score drops. Bird Bank sends a letter. We miss you. Please pay us. Pigeon turns it into a tiny curtain for his nest. It blocks sunlight, not debt. Bird Bank doesn't want Pigeon free. They want Pigeon trapped. Not broke, not rich, just stuck. Because debt means profit for them. Bird Bank even offers a debt management support hotline. Press 1 for confusion, press 2 to cry, press 3 to speak to a wall. Pigeon gets smart, only buys what he can afford, pays full amount when he can, uses credit to buy things that make corn. A business? Sure. Rental nest? Absolutely. Shiny worm dispenser? Only if it prints money. If Pigeon wouldn't trade real corn for it, then Pigeon shouldn't swipe. A credit card is not free bread. Pigeon is still in debt, but now Pigeon understands. Subscribe to support Pigeon, or he'll have to join another pyramid scheme.